Ooh, it sure is cold out here, mate. This is an update from Jerry McKee again. Boy, my wonder dog, he finally, he rescued us. So don't send any milk and bread. Our animal, Lucy Lou, the wonder dog, has saved the day. So please, don't send any more milk and bread. The blizzard right now is coming through. We got up to, I believe, 1/4 of an inch right now. And still ain't found the wife yet, but we're searching for her. Please do not send no more milk. Please. If anybody see my wife, please call 1-800-251-1212. This is Jerry reporting. The blizzard continues.